In the heart of the global digital revolution, one company has transitioned from a gaming hardware manufacturer to the backbone of the entire artificial intelligence era. This is the ascent of NVIDIA. Welcome to EcoVantage Report. As we cross into 2026, the global economy is no longer driven solely by oil or gold. It is driven by compute. NVIDIA's market capitalization has redefined the trillion-dollar club, signaling a massive shift in institutional investing. But is this a sustainable peak, or are we witnessing the greatest bubble in financial history? Beyond the stock charts, NVIDIA's H100 and next-gen Blackwell chips are the engines of AI sovereignty. Countries are now competing to secure their own supply chains, turning semiconductors into the new geopolitical currency. The question for every investor and tech enthusiast is simple: who can challenge the king of compute? In our next reports, we will decode the rivals and the risks. Stay ahead of the curve. This is EcoVantage Report. Subscribe for your global economic advantage.